In this video, I'll show you can create your very first AI employees very easily in just a couple of minutes using a technology called Lindy AI. Lindy AI is kind of like, it's like a no-code AI agent builder, and we're going to use that to develop a couple of things. We're going to do two things. Number one is an email responder. So in other words, we get an email into our inbox, could be Gmail, could be Outlook. We create a draft response automatically based on our knowledge base. And that knowledge base, by the way, guys, could be G Drive, Notion, Zendesk, wherever we like. And the second one is going to be a really cool chatbot that we can just throw onto a website. I'll show you how you embed that as well very easily. So this is a fictitious one that I built, for example. It's sitting in the bottom right, you click it. This guy's all like, yo, 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 but obviously we can pre-program it with our own color scheme and images and that sort of stuff. And I'll show you how you configure those together. Now, just to give you some context in terms of when you might use something like Lindy AI, which is like an AI agent platform versus something like Make.com. Make.com is like Lego. What I always explain when we're doing this channel is I show you how you can configure some Lego bricks and you can build whatever you want. So with Make, you start from scratch, or if you import a blueprint, incredible. Lindy's kind of like, and I use this Lego analogy, it's building like pre-built agent workflows. So for example, if I head over to, just to show you as a quick for instance, right? If I come down here, I go to New Lindy, we have these different templates. So they've got an email responder, lead outreacher, lead generator, note taker, whatever it specifically is, you kind of pick a template, it's pre-done, then you just connect the accounts and then you sort of rock and roll. So it's an alternative. Where I would say that it kind of is worth really, really leaning into is if speed is a priority for you. So if you want to get like an auto email responder with a knowledge base done really quickly, you can use a platform like Lindy to get a head start. They've kindly agreed to sponsor this video, but funny story, someone from the community reached out to me and said, dude, have you used this yet? You have to check it out. So I really want to show you some cool functionality it can do as under the tool for your toolkit, and I think you're going to find it really interesting. So to start off, we are going to begin with the beautiful email responder. So how does it work? Well, look, their automations are called things like Lindy's. So the way this sort of works is you come down to the left, you click on New Lindy right there. You can start from scratch and build your own thing, or if you wish, you can just use an existing template. And by the way, I know I'm dressed in green. I'm kind of like dressed like the Green Power Ranger right now, and that's because I'm heading to MMA in a short couple of hours, and you know, I wanted to get this video out for you so we can rock and roll and make magic happen. So what do we click on first? We're gonna go on email responder in the bottom left hand side, and then we get this crazy flow that looks like this. It is kind of cool that they give you these little yellow guides in terms of how to set things up and what that looks like. So what are we going to do first of all? So we are going to start off with email received. So we click on this one here, and you can see you connect that to your email account. It's very simple. You basically push the button, you sign in, and then you're effectively done.